All right, now let's try the Exodus wallet. Exodus is a desktop wallet, meaning that it's an app that you install in your computer. It's a little piece of software. It's quite user-friendly. The UI is very attractive, and it's very easy to use. Now, because it's based on your laptop, it's on your computer that is connected to the internet, it may be a little bit more vulnerable to a hacker or virus that you may have in your computer. So I would advise not to keep too much money if you have in your Exodus wallet. If you want to keep more money, you should use one of these, okay? And I'm going to show you how to use it later in this course. But okay, let's go to the Exodus wallet, and I'll send a little bit of Dogecoin to my Exodus wallet to show you how to use it. Okay, so I have here my Exodus wallet, and the Exodus wallet is compatible with a few different cryptocurrencies. So you can see here a list of cryptocurrencies, and you can have the current price, approximately the current price, and you can click here, make your first deposit, and you have different cryptocurrencies that you could eventually deposit, as you can see here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, Cardano. So this wallet is compatible with many different currencies and give you some a nice user interface. Okay, but let's go for the Dogecoin now. So I want to receive in my wallet some Doge. So I'm going to click here, receive. I have here my address and the QR code. If I was going to send from, for example, from my Coinomi wallet, from my mobile phone wallet, I would scan the QR code and send it. Now, because I'm going to send from my Binance wallet, I just copy, right, the address here, and I'm going to switch to my Binance. All right, and so here I'm on my Binance account where I have a little bit of Doge that I bought for this purpose, and I'm going to send Doge to my Exodus wallet, and should be pretty quick. Let's see. So I'm going to scroll down here. I have here my Dogecoin. I'm going to click withdraw. Okay, and I want to withdraw to this address. Double check if it is the correct address. This is DSVVVB. Okay, and just double check with my Exodus wallet. Yes, it's correct. And I want to withdraw, I need to withdraw a minimum of 100. Okay, click withdraw. Yes, continue. I'll pause the video just for a second to complete this. Okay, I have completed the verification code, and click it complete, and it's done. The transaction is done. And in the meantime, I also wanted to show you some other functionalities of the Exodus wallet. Yeah, you can have some statistics. You can have some data and additional. Oh, here it is. I just received the Doge. Okay, it took like 2 minutes to arrive to my wallet. Okay, so if I click wallet here. Okay, I have the 95 Doge that I sent, and it took approximately 2 minutes to arrive to my Exodus wallet. Okay, so just very quickly, I was about to say that you can have other functionalities. Not only you can have many different currencies in your cryptocurrencies in your Exodus wallet, you can also exchange. So if I want to exchange my Doge to another cryptocurrency, I can do it using my Exodus wallet. And the Exodus is going to do on our behalf the exchange. Now the rates here may be slightly higher, the fees may be slightly higher when comparing, for example, to an exchange like Binance, but you can also do it from the wallet, which is cool. Yeah, okay, so now next what we are going to do is to send this Doge to another wallet. But yeah, you see here it's quite cool. You have you can have charts. You have the history of all the transactions that you have made. So you can have quite a lot of information. And also if you click here portfolio, now my portfolio is 100% Dogecoin, but I could have like a pie chart with the different cryptocurrencies that I own. Okay, so now what I want to do is to send Dogecoin from my Exodus wallet that I've sent from Binance, and I want to send it to my Coinomi wallet. Coinomi is a mobile-based wallet, and I want to send it from my laptop to my mobile Coinomi wallet, where I have different cryptocurrencies, including the possibility of Dogecoin. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is click send, and I could eventually scan a QR code using the desktop from the camera, or scan from a file that I have already on my desktop. Now, because I'm using the camera to record the course, I cannot use the camera at the same time to scan the QR code here. So I'm going to click scan from a desktop. And basically what I'm going to do is to scan this QR code. So I click receive, and there is this QR code that I have already actually sent to my computer, and I'm going to click scan from desktop. Okay. And I can actually scan this QR code. So I'm going to scan like this. Okay, so it automatically detected. I'm going to double check if this address is the same that I have here, and we can see that yes, it's the same. Always double check, okay, for security reasons. And I want to send all my Doge to this address. Okay, seems good to me. Go ahead and click send. Send this, yes, confirm, and it's sending. So let's see. Okay, now I have Doge, 0 Doge in my Exodus wallet, and I'm already receiving, as you can see here, it started to receive already the Doge that I just sent. Now I will pause the video just for a couple of minutes, and we will have the balance on my Coinomi wallet. All right, I have just received the balance, and I want to okay, so that you can see better. Okay, so as you can see here, it took maybe 2 minutes, yeah, to have the balance that I transferred from my Exodus wallet to my Coinomi wallet. So if I click here, I have the different cryptocurrencies, and as you can see, my Dogecoin, this is a little bit out of focus, but let me click. I click Dogecoin, and I have my Doge balance here. Of course, every time I send these transactions back and forth, I'm going to pay a little bit of network fees, which is normal. Okay, so now, next, I'm going to send this Doge back to another wallet to show you how does it work.